Hello, hi, a very happy good afternoon. So this is Krishnaveni and we've been talking about the story of life on earth, and that's biology. So welcome to my session. So today we are having a very big Menti. So we are going to talk about the entire chapter of human physiology. Come on, please do like, share and subscribe. So share the link with your friends. So let your friends know we are going to have a fun time for the next 30-40 minutes. Quick. Yes, have you shared the link with your friends? So I have covered all the 7 chapters of human physiology. Yes, and the Menti code is 46437599. So that is your Menti code. Come on, make it quick. Okay, someone has already joined. Very good. So 46437599 is the Menti code. So please do join my Menti. Entire human physiology. So once again, human physiology has the highest weightage in class 11. It has a weightage of almost 16%. So please do not miss this Menti. Come on, quickly join the Menti. So the code for Menti is 46437599. Quick. Okay, so 3 people have already joined. So very good. Yes, quick. So it's 12:31, 12:32 exactly. So 12:35 we will start. Quick. So we have a lot of questions. It's not our usual Menti of 15 questions. So there are a lot of questions. There are 35 questions. So that's why I took this Menti on a Sunday, so that we can play leisurely. Yes, quick. Have you joined my Menti? So please do like, share and subscribe. So share the link with your friends. So the Menti code is 46437599. Yes, people are slowly joining. Okay. Yes, come on, make it fast. I hope you have prepared well. We have had enough revision of human physiology chapter-wise. Then we discuss the questions. Then we discuss the disorders. So I guess everything is covered in one go, right? So yes, so please, now we are having a wholesome quiz. So it is a holistic approach that we are following. So Vinu, hi, yes, good afternoon. So how are you feeling now? Better? Okay, I haven't had lunch. So lunch will be after the Menti. Okay. So Nisarg, hello, hi, good afternoon. Yes, I am fine, thank you. So I guess you're new to my Menti, so thank you so much for joining my session. So please do like, share and subscribe. So Sakshi Singh, okay, so today is your first quiz with me. Yes, today is my first interaction with you. So that's nice seeing you here. So thank you so much guys for joining my Menti. So please do like, share and subscribe. Yes, the code for Menti is 46437599. So Rishika, hi. This is not for class 10, this is for class 11, but if you're interested, just try and attend. It has your digestion, breathing, circulation, excretion, locomotion, about your brain, then about your eye, ear, then about your hormones. If you're interested, you can attend. So yes, you're also new, so thank you so much for joining my session today. So please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, Nisraq. So, which means you have been watching my lecture. So, thank you. I'm really grateful. So, this compliment made my weekend very beautiful. Thank you once again. So, hi, Anthony Abhi. How are you doing? So, thank you, Anthony Abhi, for joining my Menti today. So, come on, guys. Please do like, share, and subscribe. The Menti code is 46437599. So, I have a small twist in today's Menti. So, quickly join. Before I start, I will give you the instructions for Menti. Yes, come on, make it quick. Yes, ready? Exams are cancelled, so giving an absent for class 11. Yes, that you be optimistic, you can. So that's also a good one. Okay, hi Shimpi. Yes, a very happy good afternoon. So yes, I'm good, thank you. How are you? So thank you guys for remembering and joining my Menti on a Sunday. So I'm really happy. Yes, I will give you instructions for Menti. So usually my Menti is very short. We just complete our Menti in 22 minutes exactly. So we usually play for 15 questions, 20 seconds each. And after every question, we have a leaderboard coming up. So who is fastest, who is on top. So today I have given a small twist to the entire story. So what is the twist? So pay attention to the twist. So there are 7 chapters in human physiology. Yes. So from each chapter I have taken 5 questions. So together you have 35 questions, and after every 5 questions only you will have the leaderboard. You're getting? So you will not have the leaderboard after every question. You will have the leaderboard coming up after 5 questions. That is after the completion of a chapter. So you will have the leaderboard coming only 7 times, and 7 times, let's say who's on top. So they will be the winner. Okay. So this shows how thorough you will be in a particular chapter. Alright. Yes. So shall I start? So all of you have joined? Yes, it is 12:36. Okay, so let's begin the Menti. Yes, hi Komal. Yes, thank you so much for joining my Menti today. So please do like, share and subscribe. So here we go for question number 1. So the tidal volume and the expiratory reserve volume of an athlete is 500 ml and 1000 ml respectively. So what will be his expiratory capacity if residual volume is 1200 ml? So the questions that we have already solved. Come on, done with the answer? Yes, you have already solved? Yes, it is 1500 ml. So very good. So majority have given me the right answer. So we are done with question 1. So shall we move on to question number 2? Yes, please read the question before you answer. Ready? Okay. So here we go to question number 2. The partial pressure of oxygen in the alveoli of the lungs is equal to that in the blood, more than that in blood, less than that in blood, less than that of carbon dioxide. Quick! So we are talking about the partial pressure of oxygen in the alveoli. So how is the partial pressure of oxygen in the alveoli of the lungs? So alveoli are balloon-like structures. Yes, so more than that in the blood. So in the lungs, always the oxygen is high compared to your carbon dioxide. Very good. So once again, majority have given me the right answer. So very quick, we are done with 2 questions. So now we are going to question number 3, right? So pay attention. So question number 3, the alveolar epithelium in the lungs is non-ciliated epithelium, non-ciliated squamous, ciliated columnar, ciliated squamous. We have already discussed this question, so please read the question twice. Thank you so much, Nisak. So your positivity is getting spread, so thank you so much. Yes, so it is non-ciliated squamous epithelium. So I have discussed this in my lecture. It is not ciliated. Ciliated are present in your trachea. Okay, so shall we move to the next question? So that is question number 4 of 35. Ready? Okay, so here we go to question number 4. So please play well, the leaderboard is yet to come. Reduction in the pH of blood will decrease the affinity of hemoglobin with oxygen, increase bicarbonate ions by the liver, reduce heart rate of the heartbeat, reduce the blood supply to the brain. If you have a reduction in the pH of blood, what will happen? Come on, quick. Yes, if you have a reduction in the pH of your blood, so the affinity for your hemoglobin with oxygen reduces. Very good. So majority have once again given me the right answer. So here we are on question number 5. So after this, we are going to have the leaderboard for the first time today. Okay, so please play well. Question number 5. Yes, here we go. When you would hold your breath, which of the following gas changes in the blood would first lead to the urge to breathe? So falling oxygen concentration, raising carbon dioxide, and falling oxygen concentration. Falling oxygen concentration, raising carbon dioxide concentration. So read the question, it might be confusing. So when you hold your breath for long, so what is the first gases change inside your body? Yes, your carbon dioxide concentration rises because in your tissues you have your increased concentration of carbon dioxide. Thus, when you hold your breath, so your carbon dioxide concentration rises. Yes, I can also speak Hindi. Okay, so Komal says 1 wrong. You haven't done this chapter. Oh, it's okay, Rishika. Don't worry, it's just a try. You are in class 10 and you're competing with people who are studying for class 11 and 12. So don't worry. Yes, shall we go to the most awaited thing, that is the leaderboard? Yes? Okay, so here we go. Even I am excited to see who's on the leaderboard. Yes, so here we have the leaderboard. Miss NCRT loves biology and you. Okay, so thank you for the name. So Devi Priya, Renuma, Anthony is also here. Komal, hi. So Rishika, you're still on the leaderboard. So Dr. Shruti, AFMC, wow, Armed Force Medical Science. Okay, I will never forget that exam. So Ria, Navneet. Okay, so thank you so much guys for joining my Menti today, and many congratulations for coming on the leaderboard for the first time. So the fastest is Miss NCRT, and that person is also on the top. So very good, and many congratulations to the one who's on top. Okay, so you are in class 11th now. The exams are cancelled. All right. Okay, fine. So it's okay, it's not an issue. So please watch my videos. So I have taught this chapter in detail. Okay, so done with the leaderboard. So shall we go for the next set of questions? Yes, the next set of 5 questions are going to come from digestion and absorption. So let's see who's going to top that. So all the very best. So read the question before you answer. So here we go to question number 6 of question 35. Ready? It's okay, just relax. So it's just our game. So which of the following terms describe human dentition? Thecodont, diffeodont, homodont. The next one is thecodont, diffeodont, heterodont, pleurodont, monophycodont, homodont, pleurodont, diffeodont, homodont. Come on, quick. It's a simple question. So the one who answers quickly also gets points in the leaderboard. So make it fast. So everyone has voted. So the right answer is thecodont, diffeodont, heterodont. What is thecodont? Your bone is situated in a cavity, that is in your gums, in your jaw socket. Diffeodont, we have 2 sets of teeth. So one is your permanent and your milk teeth. Heterodont, we have 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars, right? Yes, option 2 is right, and all of you have given me the right answer. Good. So moving on to question number 7 of 35. Ready? One of the constituents of pancreatic juice which is poured into the duodenum in humans is trypsinogen, chymotrypsin, trypsin, enterokinase. The option seems to be closely related, but pay attention. Only one option is right here. So from the pancreatic juice, when it enters into your intestine, it enters in the inactive form. So which one here is in the inactive form? Trypsinogen is in the inactive form. Trypsin is the active form. So only in the intestine, only in the duodenum, it becomes trypsin. In the pancreatic juice, it is trypsinogen. So many of you have lost points here. Such an easy question, people have got lost points. All right, okay, it's okay, fine. So let's move to the next question. Ready? Question number 8 of 35. Yes, so here we have Satyendra. Yes, hello, very good afternoon. So I guess now only sun rose at your side, but here sun is already at its peak. So it's good afternoon for us. Just kidding. So thank you so much for joining us, Satyendra. So here we are in question number 8 of 35. So please read the question before you answer. So the gastric juice of infants contain pepsinogen, lipase, renin, amylase, renin, pepsinogen, maltase, pepsinogen, renin, nuclease, pepsinogen, lipase. Yes. Come on, quick, in the infants. Which one is present? So let's see, yes. So why mixed confusion? So amylase is present in the saliva. How will it be present in the gastric juice? So gastric juice is in your stomach, right? It's in your gastric glands. So this is wrong. Option B is wrong. So maltase is also not present. So it is first one, that is pepsinogen, lipase and renin. So Komal, you have made a mistake. So please pay attention. This is the simplest of topic, simplest of questions, but yet you guys are making mistake. So please pay attention. Okay, so here we go to question number 9 of 35. Ready? Yes, so here we go. Carrier ions like Na plus facilitate absorption for substances like amino acids and glucose and fatty acids and glycerol, fructose and some amino acid. So this question once again I have discussed. Come on, make it quick. I have discussed this question once again. Yes. So which is facilitated diffusion? Yes, it is your amino acids and your glucose. So that is being transported by Carrier ions like your Na+. Very good. Alright, so shall we move forward to the next question? Question number 10. Hello, hi Kuldeep sir. So thank you so much for joining my mentee today. So please do like, share and subscribe. So Anthony says digestion is tough. No, it is not tough, so don't worry. So here we are, question number 10 of 15. So after this, we'll have a leaderboard. So please play properly. So the vitamin C or the ascorbic acid prevents scurvy, antibody synthesis, rickets, pellagra. Come on, vitamin C is also known as ascorbic acid and it prevents what? Wow, people have voted pretty quickly. Yes, and all of you are right, it is scurvy. So shall we move to the leaderboard? So this is the second time we are going to the leaderboard, so excited. Let's see if still the same person is on top, if the same person are on the leaderboard or not. Ready? Yes? Okay, so here we reveal the leaderboard. Okay, so there's no one new on the leaderboard. The same set of people are playing. So let's see who's still on top. Okay, so yet the same person is on top and is the fastest. So very good, Miss NCRT. So thank you so much and many congratulations. So the same set of students, I guess Komal has moved forward. So Anthony, you have come down, but others good. So all the others who are playing silently, please do come up on the leaderboard. Okay? It's okay, Anthony Abhi, we can have a revision, so please don't worry. So shall we move to the next set of question? So the next set of question is from your body fluids and circulation. Ready for the next round of 5 questions? Yes? Here we go to the next round of 5 questions. So question 11 of 35. Pay attention to the question. Globulins contained in the human blood plasma are primarily involved in osmotic balance of the body fluids, oxygen transport in blood, clotting of blood, defense mechanisms of the body. So where is globulins used? So globulins are your plasma proteins. Where are they used? Come on, okay, pretty quick. They are used in the defense mechanism of the body, right? So why did people get confused? It's your albumins that are used in the osmotic balance. So globulins play a role in the defense mechanism. Okay, so here we move on to question number 12 of 35. Ready? Ready for question number 12? Yes, so here we go to question number 12. The most active phagocytic white blood cells are your eosinophils and lymphocytes, neutrophils and monocytes, neutrophils and eosinophils, lymphocytes and macrophages. There are only 2 phagocytes in your white blood cells. One is granulocyte and one is a non-granulocyte. So which one is the answer? Yes, so I've already given the clue. One is granulocyte, one is non-granulocyte. Yes, it is what is the answer? Neutrophils and monocytes. Neutrophils are granulocytes and monocytes are non-granulocytes, or they're also known as agranulocytes. Okay, so here we move to the next question, question 13 of 35. Okay, you want me to go a little bit slow? Okay, so I'll give you some time. So question 13 of 35. Yes, so if I go a bit slow, your brain will start taking rest. That is the reason. Okay. So blood group AB has no antigen, no antibody, neither antigen nor antibody, both antigen and antibody. Quick, blood group AB. So time's up. So blood group AB has perfectly right, no antibody. So depending upon the antigen you have, your blood group is decided. So if I am having A blood group, I have A antigen. So if I have AB blood group, my antigens are A and B, but it does not contain an antibody. So 8 of you have given me the right answer, but others still have a confusion. So please go through that tabular column given in your NCERT. Okay, so shall we move forward to the next question? I guess it's question 14, if I'm not wrong. Yes, so question 14 of 35, ready? So here we go. Which of the following statements is true? Statement is true for lymph, WBC plus serum, blood minus RBC and some proteins, RBC, WBC plus plasma, RBCs, proteins plus platelets. So what is present in your lymph? So literally it is talking about the composition of your lymph. Quick. Yes, so your lymph contains your WBCs, but it does not contain your RBC and the plasma proteins. So lymph has WBCs because, so in the lymph vessels or in the lymphatic systems, your WBC is patrol. So they check for any entry of the antigen. So your option B is right for all those who have made a mistake. So please recollect where you have made a mistake. Okay. So moving on to the last question of this chapter, body fluids and circulation. So this is the most interesting and the easiest chapter, right? So question 15 of 35, ready? Yes? So here we go to question number 15 of 35. In the standard ECG, which one of the following alphabets is the correct representation of the respective activity of the human heart? S stands for the systole, T stands for the end of diastole, then P stands for the depolarization of atria, and R for the repolarization of ventricles. So what is the answer? Yes? Yes, P stands for the depolarization of the ventricle. So what is the P? So P, Q, R, S and T. The first one is the depolarization of the atria. So very good, but why still some people have gone wrong? So 5 of you have gone wrong, so please pay attention. This is an important part of your cardiac output, okay? Yes, so once again we are moving into the leaderboard. So ready? So shall we see who's on top? Yes? So here we reveal the leaderboard. Yes, so is there anyone new? There is no one new. So why? People try coming up. Yes, that is very good. So I like your attitude. Very good, Anthony. Okay, so once again, still on top is Miss NCRT, who's on top and fastest. So kudos, so you have been on top for the 3rd time, so it's a hat trick. So others, congratulations, you managed to be on the leaderboard. So still put in some more effort so that you can be on top. All right? Yes? So the leaderboard encourages you or discourages you? Huh? Yes? So leaderboard encourages you or discourages you? It should encourage, so all those who are down, so please don't feel discouraged. So try climbing up the ladder. So only when you climb up the ladder, you will experience success. All right? Yes, so here we move to the next question. Ready? So the next chapter is your excretion and their elimination. So shall we talk about excretion? Wow, okay, so you are giving me too many compliments. So thank you so much. Okay, so question number 16 of 35, encouraging. All right. So this is from your excretion. Removal of PCT from the nephron will result in no change in quality and quantity of urine, no urine formation, more diluted urine, more concentrated urine. So PCT is your proximal convoluted tubule. You haven't touched the books of class 11. So why don't you join us for class 11? I am teaching class 11 on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday from 4 p.m. Why don't you join? Okay, so the right answer is more diluted urine. Why more diluted urine if your PCT is not there? Because PCT reabsorbs 99% of the water. If PCT is lost, then all the water will be excreted through your urine. So it will be a diluted urine. Okay? Yes? Fine. So moving forward to question number 17. So here we go to question number 17 of 35. Under normal conditions, which of the following is completely reabsorbed in your renal tubule? So urea, uric acid, salts or glucose? It's okay. So actually we are doing plant physiology and we are also doing a syllabus wrap-up series where from the start once again I am teaching class 11. So syllabus wrap-up series is from 6:30 to 7:30 on MWF. So please do join me for the syllabus wrap-up series as well. Yes, the right answer is glucose. So glucose is actively reabsorbed by your PCT. Very good. So majority have given me the right answer. I am happy. So the next question, question number 18 of 35. Ready? Yes. So here we move. Reabsorption of useful substance from the glomerular filtrate occurs in the collecting tubule, loop of Henle, PCT or DCT. Reabsorption of useful substance from the glomerular filtrate occurs in the collecting tube, loop of Henle, PCT or DCT. So a lot of the useful substances are reabsorbed in your PCT. Okay, but still people have made mistakes. So why is this confusion? So after your glomerular filtration, the first tube that is present is your PCT, right? So that is where your useful substances are being absorbed. Okay, so Anthony Abhi has a misclick. Okay, so fine. So Nishraq, so you have got it right? Yes. So we move forward. So question number 19 of 35. Okay, so Nishraq, where are you on the leaderboard? So tell me what's your name on the leaderboard? So a decrease in blood pressure or volume will not cause the release of ANF, aldosterone, ADH or renin. ANF is natrial antidiuretic factor. ADH is antidiuretic hormone. So a decrease in blood pressure will not cause. We have already solved this question. Okay, so there's a problem. Okay. Yes, it's loading. Okay, so the right answer is ANF. So a increase in blood pressure will cause the release of ANF. A decrease in blood pressure will not cause the release of ANF. Okay, so here I am moving to question number 20. Yes, so here we move to question number 20. Which of the following does not favor the formation of large quantities of dilute urine? Renin, ANF, alcohol, caffeine. Does not favor the formation of large quantities of dilute urine. Renin, ANF, alcohol, caffeine. Sorry, caffeine. Yes, which one is the answer? Yes, renin does not favor the release of dilute urine. It gives you concentrated urine. Okay? Yes. So shall we move to the leaderboard? So we are done with excretion. So let's see how thorough you are with excretion. So Nishraq, what is your name on the leaderboard? So let me know. Okay, so there's someone called as Sati on the leaderboard. So very good. So you are a new entry. I am very happy. Congratulations. So yet again, fastest and on top is Miss NCRT. So very good and many congratulations. So okay, so Rishika has come down and okay, Navneet has moved up. So very good. So Renuma has also moved up. So Devi Priya is maintaining her second position. Very good. So a little more effort will give you more happiness. Yes. So shall we move forward? The next chapter is locomotion and movement. So shall we start with locomotion and movement? Ready for the next set of 5 questions? Yes. Okay, so that is you, Satyendra. All right. Okay, so since you joined late, you're picking up late. That's fine. So the lack of relaxation between successive stimuli in a sustained muscle contraction. So please be careful. Don't give me the wrong answer. So lack of relaxation between successive stimuli in a sustained muscle contraction is known as tetanus, tonus, spasm, fatigue. Yes, which one is the answer? So everyone has voted good. Yes, it is your tetanus. It is not spasm, it is tetanus. So spasm is wild contraction. So tetanus is where you do not have relaxation between successive stimuli. Okay, so moving on to question number 22. So here we move. Ready? Question number 22 of 35. During muscle contraction in humans, the sarcomere does not shorten. The A band remains the same. The A, H and I bands shorten. Actin filaments shorten. So which is the right one? So the same question I have discussed in my lecture. Make it quick. Yes, A band remains the same. That is very good. So A band is your thick band. So that does not shorten. So moving to the next question of this chapter. So 22 of 35. Sorry, 23. So we are done with 2 questions. So this is the third one. Which of the following is the contractile protein of the muscle? Tropomyosin, tubulin, myosin, all of these. So I want the contractile protein of the muscle. Quick. Only the contractile protein, no parts of the contractile protein. Yes? What is the answer? We have discussed this. So don't give me all of these. All of this is not the answer. Wow. How many times I have told you, you have only two contractile proteins, one is actin, one is myosin. So tubulin is a type of your cytoskeletal protein, so all of this will not be an option. So tropomyosin is a part on your actin filament, it is not a contractile protein. Only actin and myosin are contractile proteins, so thus the right answer here is only myosin. So equal population, so equal distribution, but you should have paid attention, okay? So it's okay. So here we move forward to question number, I guess 24. Yes. So the last before question of this chapter. So here we go. Glenoid cavity articulates clavicle with the scapula, humerus with the scapula, clavicle with acromion, scapula with the acromion. So glenoid cavity is the part of your upper limbs, right? So what is the answer? Glenoid cavity is in the upper part of your limb, so I have already given you the clue. Yes, the right answer is humerus with scapula. Good, at least majority have given me the right answer. So the last question for this chapter, locomotion and movement. So here we go. Ready for question number 25 of 35? Yes, so please pay attention to the question, read and then answer. What is the name of the joint between ribs and sternum? Cartilaginous joint, angular joint, gliding joint, fibrous joint. Yes, joint between your ribs and your sternum. What is the answer? Yes, quick. Done? Okay, everyone has voted. Good. It is your cartilaginous joint which allows very mild movement. Shall we look into the leaderboard? Yes, so let's see who's on top now. So tell me who's Miss NCRT? Okay, so FF Lovers is here on the leaderboard, so very good. So thank you so much for joining my Menti today. So please do like, share and subscribe. Okay, so still on top is Miss NCRT. So you are the fastest on top. So many congratulations. So consistently you have been on top for almost 5 chapters now. Good, so just 2 more chapters to go. So let's see who the winner is. So Devi Priya, good. So consistently you've also been on the 2nd place. So Renuma, you're also climbing up. So Komal. So Navneet had a huge climb up. So still try to climb up. So AFMC have moved up. So Riya, Satyendra tried to move up. Anthony has come down. Why? You went down in your digestive system? Yes. So FF Flowers, I guess, has just joined. So Rishika says, I'm the 12th place. That's okay. It's fine. So here we move to the next chapter. So this is your neural control and coordination. So question number 26 of 35. Ready? Yes? Here we go. The receptor sites for neurotransmitters are present on the presynaptic membrane, tips of axons, postsynaptic membrane, membranes of synaptic vesicles. So which one? Receptor sites for neurotransmitters. So when I was talking about the transmission of impulse between 2 neurons, I was talking about this. Yes, it is present on your postsynaptic neuron. So that is the answer, that is option C. From the presynaptic neuron, it gets released and it is present on the postsynaptic neuron. Very good. So 12 of you have given me the right answer. So the next question. So Shama Khan, hello, hi. So thank you so much for joining my Menti today. So please do like, share and subscribe. So here we move to question number 27. So read the 27th question properly. Parkinson's disease, characterized by tremors and progressive rigidity of limbs, is caused by the degeneration of brain neurons that are involved in the movement control, and it makes use of which neurotransmitter? It is easy to comprehend. Parkinson's disease, which neurotransmitter? See how quick you guys were? So Parkinson's disease is associated with dopamine. So how many of you gave me the wrong answer? Yes? Acetylcholine is associated with Alzheimer's. I told you to remember A and A. Acetylcholine is concerned with your Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease causes progressive loss of memory, right? Yes, why did you go wrong? I told you to remember Alzheimer's, acetylcholine, Parkinson's, dopamine. So I told you to remind PD. I told you to remember PD, right? So it was a blunt, silly mistake. Okay. So let's move to the next question. So the next question is question number 28 of 35. Ready? Yes. So here we go. In the resting state of the neural membrane, diffusion due to concentration gradient, if allowed, would drive. In a resting neuronal membrane, there is a difference in the concentration gradient, right? So if there is a diffusion, there can be a movement. So what would move? So K plus into the cell, K plus and Na plus out of the cell, Na plus into the cell or Na plus out of the cell. Wow, so I have a beautiful colorful answer. So all of you had chosen whichever option you want. So did you do Inky Pinky Ponky? So you are Miss NCRT. Wow, so congratulations. Okay, so you have been consistently on top. Very good. So what is this? Why did you all go wrong? So in a resting neuronal membrane, so what is present on the outside? Na plus, right? So if given a chance, if the membrane can diffuse, so Na plus will move into the cell. It is already on the outside, so Na plus will move into the cell. So K plus is already inside. So here the only option that said is K plus moves out. That is not possible, right? So here only Na plus can move into the cell if there is a change in the diffusion potential of the membrane. So it depends on your ability to comprehend the question. It's okay, so there has to be some twists and turns. So all easy questions will not make Jack a bright boy, right? Okay, so last one question of the chapter. So so we have two questions. So question 29 of 35, ready? Yes. Injury localized to the hypothalamus would most likely disrupt short-term memory, coordination during locomotion, executive functions such as decision making, regulation of body temperature. So any damage to the hypothalamus will directly affect your. So what is the main function of hypothalamus? Yes, thermoregulation. Very good. So all of you have given me the right answer. Good. So last one question, after which we'll have the leaderboard. So question 30 of 35. So now you'll know how thorough you are in human physiology. So photosensitive compound in human eye is made up of opsin and retinol, transducin and retinase, guanosin and retinol, opsin and retinol. So I am talking about the photosensitive compound. Quick. Yes, so it is opsin and retinol. It is made up of two components, right? A protein portion and an aldehyde portion. So here it is option D. No, not B, Shama. So please see the mistake. Like I guess so B for the previous question. Okay, fine. So this is D. As long as you are thorough, you have no doubts, I have no issues. So yes, here we are into the leaderboard. So there's no one new on the leaderboard. All right, so let's see who's on top. Okay, once again on top and fastest is Miss NCRT. So very good. So this is for the 6th time you're still on the leaderboard. So only one more time. So you will be the winner of the Menti. So many congratulations and thank you so much for playing with a lot of dedication. So Devi Priya is also constantly there. So yes, everyone is in the same position. There is no change. Why? What happened? So okay. Yes, Anthony has climbed up. Yes. Okay, so fine. So here we move to the last chapter. So the last chapter is your chemical coordination and integration. So hope I have discussed all the hormones properly with you. So here we move to question number 31 of 35. The posterior pituitary gland is not a true endocrine gland because it is provided with a duct. It only stores and releases hormone. It is under the regulation of hypothalamus. It secretes enzyme. Why it is not a true endocrine gland? Come on, it's okay. It's okay, Rishika. You have not attended my lectures. So everything is new to you. That's fine. But still you're trying. So I still appreciate you. Yes, because it only stores and releases your hormone. It does not secrete a hormone on its own. Okay. Yes, we have solved this question. Good. Okay. So moving on to question number 32. So we are almost nearing the end of Menti. So question number 32. The 24-hour diurnal rhythm of a body such as the sleep-wake cycle is regulated by the hormone calcitonin, prolactin, adrenaline, melatonin. So which of the following? Yes, which one regulates the sleep-wake cycle? It's an easy question. You should have answered by now. It is your pineal gland which regulates by secreting a hormone known as melatonin. Wonderful. So that was brilliantly played. Okay. So moving on to question number 33 of 35. Ready? So here we go to question number 33 of 35. Adrenaline directly affects on SA note, beta cells of Langerhans, dorsal root of the spinal nerve, epithelial cells of the stomach. Quick. Quick. So adrenaline directly affects on. So thank you, Nishrag. Yes. So adrenaline has a direct effect on which of the following? Yes, on your SA note. So you have an adrenaline rush that increases your heartbeat, right? So shall we move forward to the last but one question, 34 of 35. So here we go to question number 34 of 35. So chemical hormones are biogenic amines only, proteins, steroids and biogenic amines, proteins only, steroids only. So what are chemical, so hormones are chemically, what are they? How are they divided into? Yes, so this question also I have discussed. Come on, make it quick. Yes, done? Okay, so it is amines, steroids as well as your proteins. So all these it is present. Yes, this is the NCERT line question. Yes, perfect. So shall we move to the last question of the Menti? So all those who didn't come on the leaderboard, so please don't lose hope. It's okay. You are just in the learning stage. Fine? Yes. So the last question for the day. Question number 35 of 35. Ready? So here we go for the last question. Which one of the following is not a secondary messenger in hormone action? Cyclic AMP, cyclic GMP, calcium, sodium. So what is a secondary messenger? Once your hormone receptor complex binds and this activates, there is a membrane permeable change which causes the activation of your secondary messengers. Who are the secondary messengers? They are group of molecules. So which is not a secondary messenger is the question? Yes, cyclic AMP, cyclic GMP, calcium are all secondary messengers. Only a sodium is not a secondary messenger. It is just an ion. Okay, so here we mark the end of today's Menti. So let's move into the leaderboard for one last time. Okay, so here we go. Yes, the much awaited thing of the Menti. So let's see who the winner is. Okay, so the same set of students. So FF Lovers has moved forward, I guess. Yes, so here we are in the leaderboard. So this time fastest is Renuma. So very good, Renuma. And on top is Miss NCERT. So many congratulations. So consistently you have been top for all the 7 chapters. So this shows that you're very thorough with human physiology. So I'm really happy. So Devi Priya, you have consistently been on 2nd position. Renuma as well. So very good. So Komal, you have improved. So last time you were below. So today you are in the 4th place. So Satyendra, AFMC, Anthony B. So Navneet has moved down. So FF Lovers, Dr. Sturi. So many congratulations. So thank you so much for playing my Menti. So it was really exciting to have you in my Menti quiz. Okay, so I want to tell you our syllabus wrap-up series is going on and we are done with the first unit of a syllabus wrap-up series. So we'll be having a Menti very soon. So we'll be having Menti from the first unit of class 11. So I've done with the 4 chapters of unit 1. Right, Avneet ma'am and I have completed all the 4 chapters of unit 1. So probably on Tuesday or Thursday you might have a Menti. So that is the grand Menti once again on from unit 1 of your class 11, and winner of the syllabus wrap-up series Menti will get a free mock test series, will get access to a free mock test series. So make sure you go through the first 4 chapters of your class 11. So meanwhile we'll be starting with the next syllabus wrap-up series. So from tomorrow, the next unit starts. So tomorrow at 4 o'clock, we are talking about a class 12 chapter. We are talking about human reproduction. And at 6:30, we are meeting for the syllabus wrap-up series, and the chapter is morphology. So make sure you join me for the morphology as well. Okay. So on Tuesday, if you are having the first 4 chapters of your class 11, so it will be your living world, animal kingdom, plant kingdom, and biological classification. Okay, so henceforth, Avneet ma'am will not be handling, so only I will be taking the entire syllabus wrap-up series. So, but my syllabus wrap-up series will continue from MWF only. So, on TTS, we will have quiz in the evening. Okay, so the next quiz is on Tuesday, so it will be something similar to this. We'll take more number of questions, less number of leaderboard. So this increase your anxiousness and as well as anxiety. So let's go forward with the same. Okay, yes, thank you so much. So please go enjoy your Sunday. Okay, so you are in 10th, but still you found the quiz easy. Okay, so thank you so much, Rajdeep. So please do like, share, and subscribe. I guess you're new to my session. So thank you so much, guys, for joining me on a Sunday afternoon. So this is me signing off. So have a great weekend. So stay safe and stay strong. This is me signing off. So bye-bye and take care.